recent review meeting, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang confirmed that all necessary arrangements for the KHADC and GHADC elections are in place. He highlighted the deployment of additional security personnel at sensitive polling stations along the Assam and Bangladesh borders, with reinforced forces mobilized from Garo Hills. Notably, no major seizures have been reported during the election period, with the Chief Secretary attributing this to the subdued nature of the campaigns. He also addressed concerns over campaign noise during both exams, noting that while elections coincide with the exam period, strict noise restrictions after 10 p.m. are in place. He clarified that no special provisions for differently abled and elderly voters exist in the current council elections, as the rules differ from those of the Election Commission of India. The government has coordinated with Assam authorities to ensure smooth polling operations without disruptions.
Polling stations along the border areas with Assam as well as with Bangladesh also have been taken extra care. In the Election Commission of India notification, we have special arrangements for the differently abled voters as well as the aged voters. But in the District Council, there is no provision under the rules. We have given details about the movement of the various polling parties, and he has assured that there won't be any hindrance at all. Some of the polling parties will have to pass through Assam, and full cooperation has been sought from Assam, and we have made it very, very clear that no noise should be generated after 10 o'clock.